Morning guys, morning everyone. Welcome chat, great community. What's up? What's up? Hey. How you doing? Happy Wednesday times. Good evening, good day everyone. Look at the markets. Finding some stability above 25,000, but you gotta be careful today guys, obviously. No specialty out there. It's the way it used to be for the last couple of days and weeks. How's it going, guys? How do you feel today? Make sure to like the video. So let me just pin the message. Let me just pin the message in the chat. Good day. And let's get into the subject. Make sure to invite all your friends, neighbors, family members on stream. We're ready, guys. We're live. And we're going to do $125,000 once we finish trading. Looking forward to hitting the targets like we did yesterday. 16 out of 16 accounts traded, hitting the target. Today is going to be an important day for the YRM account that is traded on the third cycle. And it's day number 7. Right? This is the one, guys. We have 26 sessions back-to-back profits. Good morning, good morning. So 26 sessions back-to-back profits. Looking for my session number 7 on the third cycle. Right, let's just go ahead and trade. YRM accounts are very simple. No payout target. Minimum $150 for 10 days and respect the consistency, which is normal in terms of the industry standards, but minimum 10 days of $150 and that's it for the payout target. That red line we have here, guys, it's been the nightmare of the day for the bulls, the red line. That's where the algo is set up on Wall Street. And that's why we get dumped. Institutional trading is listening to the red line we've got here. And that's why we have not been able to reclaim it. And as an ultimate confirmation, just a couple of, like 20 minutes ago, we got rejected on 110, touching that red line again. So careful, everyone. We're trading 3 accounts of, we've got 3 instant funded of 150,000. Bringing my first long here. And I'm looking forward to making only the target of around 180, 190, 200 bucks. Let's see if we reject basically here for the base. Lovely. Got to DCA on that wick. Another DCA, guys. And I'm happy with that target on 287. And that's going to be day number 7 here if we hit that target, guys. We bought into the wick of this 1-minute candle. Technically, volumetrica. Adding a little more to this, guys. Is not going. I'm gonna cut it if it becomes ugly. But after 2 rejections on the 1 minute, we had a great chance of seeing. Third rejection might come through, adding a little bit to this one. So we only need 3 to 4 points and we're hitting the target here, guys. 2 points needed. Come on, just a little more. It's going to be day number 7. Just a little bit right there. Ah, that was so close. That was so close earlier. Probably a single tick away. Yeah, Trump is about to talk, so be careful. Oh my gosh, look at that one. We touch it. And it has been triggered right now. $192. That's absolutely perfect, guys. Day number 7 for the 3rd cycle. Day number 7 for the 3rd cycle. Boom. Celebration time for our 150k instant funded. We only trade the instant funded, so we take the account and we only do minimum 150 bucks from the beginning per day. That's it. Right? So that's very important, guys, here to collect these days right now. Day number 7. I hit my target in terms of the consistency for the cycle, right? So I only have to do the minimum, which is 150 for the rest of the days. Three days. And that could be on the 26th on January, guys. 3 more days are needed. So on 26th of January, I could go for a payout here. And then start my 4th cycle. The 4th cycle for this account, the payout is $6,000. That was lovely. That was lovely. Trump is about to speak, so expect massive volatility. Decrease your sizing. And forget about hitting any wild numbers today. Just be grateful that you've got to your minimal targets and survived through the difficulties. It's not one of those days where you should mentally expect more, because the risks and the uncertainty is an environment that you don't always have. And that's better. When this environment is not existent, is better. So if there is to decide between the environments, and you as a trader, you decide to trade or not to trade. So if there is a choice, if there is a freedom to decide between which environments do we trade, today's one is certainly not favorable compared to the alternatives existent in the markets. So if you have the ability to decide, then be careful. Make the decision in the right way. Think about it. It's not just about seeing that dollar value, it's also an importancy how to achieve that dollar value, under which risks, and what do we pay for that, right? Thank you, guys. Yeah, 6,000 is going to be quite juicy. Here as well, I'd like to take my minimum 150. You know, I'm going to do a little more on the Lucid Black ones. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Probably Trump is about yeah. Gold is nuts. Gold is nuts, right? So we got gold probably on 5,000 quicker than BTC on 100. Probably even quicker than, you know, gold might just get to astronomical levels. The thing is about the liquidity, when that's gonna move. Local support exists in here right around below the 50s. But this is going to be a heavy day right there, guys, in trading. Good day, Martin. Oh, you got a new location. Yeah, Orange Man is Trump speaks right now. He's scheduled basically for this time. As we speak right now, he's scheduled for this time. You guys want to see if he's not delayed or something like that. Thank you guys. Testing a little short here. Come on, just a little deeper. There's not much. There's not much behind that. 173 profit. That's lovely. That's another target, guys. That's another target, you know. This is the YRM account. Get the funded ones, get the instant funded ones. You're not getting bothered with the evaluation. Indeed, it's a different price, but with the Scramble coupon code, you get a much better discount than what they're giving to you. Yeah, there is too many people expecting massive sellings for his speech. And the markets might do something else. We'll have to see, of course. It's extremely predictable for the selling side in terms of the market conditions on his speech. So I don't know if it's that easy to make money. I'm good with that one. I'm continuing with the next account. Temporary rejection there. Cheers, everyone. Make sure to like the video. Come on. And make sure to join our Discord for those of you that are fresh, especially if you want to be part of the giveaways. You got to be part of the Discord. And for the giveaway, you need to like the video, be subscribed, and then complete the form attached. Right, so complete the form of today's giveaway. You have to be on the form. It's for free. You don't need to pay anything. We're doing daily giveaways. We're trading daily on live. Good job, buddy. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. 2 targets have been hit today. We had 2 rounds of fireworks already. Day number 7 on the 3rd cycle. We're on fire already. 2 targets hit. Forza Matteo. Trading the 3rd account here. Let's see, what do we get? Is that easy? Just about a sell-offs today. Massively terrified day. Testing out a little long here. Not seeking to make more than 150 around that one. But I'm gonna get out of this trade if we don't get a nice runner. If we're not bouncing here, I'll accept a partial loss and scale back into. There's a little fair value gap here, which is yeah. This is the 3rd account we're trading today. The reason we're trading micros here is because we have targets at around $150, $200. And I'm starting with 10 micros, so I always DCA. And as soon as I see the market is giving me momentum for my direction, I can quickly DCA into that direction and expose myself to a larger size. If the market is not giving momentum after my initial entry, which is only with 10 micros, then obviously I have the ability to DCA at important levels. And of course, if the market continues against me, I have the ability to decrease my size with partial exits, rebuy lower, DCA again lower, and just try to manage my trade from that standpoint. It gives way more flexibility, even for trades that are going in your direction, but at the same time, even for trades that are not going in your direction. So I think right now with micros, I'm feeling better than with the minis, even though we have been trading minis for the whole time. Just a couple of months. We started our live stream in February. In February, we're going to have 1 year of live streaming. I do DCA 10 micros each time, yes. 25,000 flex accounts are not good from multiple standpoints. Just forget about it. 50,000 flex account is much better, basically, in terms of the difference of the price. Let me DCA here a little bit. We could see a temporary support appearing. I don't need that much profit there. I'm gonna be happy for something around 450s. Adding one more. Four points needed here. Not requesting the markets to do any massive reversal or any pump. No, I'm just always going for this liquidity grabs and for people getting trapped at a time I'm exiting. Come on. Beautiful. Target has been hit. 420, guys. Celebration time once again. This is the third account traded for YRM today hitting the target. 3 out of 3. That's how many you can have funded. 3 accounts. Boom. Great stuff, guys. Great stuff. It is. 420. You see, this is not 150 or 200. 420 is already a different thing. Yeah, Trump used to speak. So, yeah, getting back to the question between 25,000 flex or 50,000 flex. So there is a $21 difference in the price. 21 bucks. For $21, you get $1,000 additional max loss. And that is extremely valuable. So for an additional 21 bucks, you get a double size in the max loss. The price is not double, but the max loss will double. And that's very important. Very, very important. So obviously 50,000, never the 25,000. That's a trap. That's a trap. Even for Lucid Black, for Flex, the same thing. For Lucid Direct, pretty much everywhere. The 25,000 account is a trap. Is put there for you not to choose it and go for the 50k, right? Yeah, of course, more payout cap and all that stuff coming through. But that is important to know that, you know, when you're doing marketing and you have a business, you organize your plans in a way that you certainly want to make sure some of your plans are not going to be attractive in order to make those ones that you want to sell attractive, right? So by having this comparison, you are enforcing some of your plans to be attractive. You know, some companies could do this by having, not Lucid, but other, for example. Other companies could have 3 different trash products, but 2 of them could be terrible. So you would say the third one there, it's still good because it's better than the terrible ones, yet compared to the reality, all the 3 are trash, as an example. Not the case with the Lucid. Lucid is having great products on Lucid Flex is, you know, the top right there. And then, of course, Lucid Direct, the instant funded, and all that stuff. Lucid Flex is basically no consistency, no target on the payout. Here's our big account, Lucid Flex of 150k. We have, you know, guys, we have 5 150k Lucid Flex that are already funded. And this is one of them for January. And this is basically for December. So it's just back-to-back winnings. I'm going to go by minimum earnings. 250 bucks a day minimum earnings. And Kib, Lucid Flex is better for people that are, so yeah, we'll do some payout videos. Lucid Flex is better. I'll make a video comparing, guys, and explain that to people. We're touching an interesting level here. I'm opening some longs here for our
order filled.
On trade of
order filled
futures. I don't want to do copy trading with all the accounts together. No. It has been working without doing copy trading extremely well for me, and I'm not going to change this. Right, so I do enjoy the psychology behind having multiple shots, and I do enjoy even the fact that we've been able, even if we were trading 5 accounts, each separated, hitting targets like that. You guys saw it with Lucid Flex 150k evaluation stage. We traded all those accounts separated, and we passed the evaluations by trading 5 accounts, making 9,000 separated on each. So certainly I don't need it. So this is going to run here in the background. But you see the market is one-sided. I'm going to open up my Quant Tower. And we're going to trade some on Quant Tower. We might get a temporary level holding here, which is why I got into my trade looking for that. You know, Trade of 8 is doing that order filled. I'm gonna cut the audio next time when I...
Order filled.
I just gave you another one, guys. Come on, wake up. We are printing. I'm gonna trade my there it goes again. I'm gonna trade my Monsoon, all the flexes and all the blacks. I got 5 flexes that are funded and 5 Lucid blacks that are basically evaluations. What do you guys think about a triple bottom here? Triple bottom here. Decent chance, right? Here's my Ignite account. Taking my shot here with a little position towards the long side. Not going to request too much, just 15 micros. I'm going to leave it like that. Could actually bounce, but you have to manage the trade properly here. Could actually bounce decently. It has the structure. Nice. Let me open up my trade, guys, on the Lucid Black. Look at that one, guys. And here it is a space where we trade minis, not micros. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't see the buying pressure for the moment that I would love to deal with. We see we got all those rejections on the 1 minute. Yet the market did not continue downside. That's not a good sign for the bears. So once you do that, you have to continue in the next candlestick downsides. You just cannot still be sideways. Reject on the upside and still staying sideways. Reject continuously on the upside and still staying sideways. For me, in terms of the price section, is not a good sign. We should be hearing back from Ticktick Trader, I hope so, in February. I hope so. I think we should be hearing back from Ticktick Trader with a final conclusion of what's going to happen in February, guys. We only have a single contract here. My target is going to be around 2,000 bucks here for the day. It's not going to be an easy day, but you see I'm not going too aggressive. Oh, that's lovely money right there. There you go. Scramble is printing.
Order filled.
Putting the stop loss on break even. I think we touched targets on the other side. We touched targets on the other side here. We didn't touch here, but we touched here. 528, guys. Celebration here. 528 target has been hit for my Ignite account on Tap on Futures. Thank you so much, guys. We have a huge gap of likes. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. You got to like the video to participate in the giveaway. Boom. 500 bucks here has been hit with 15 micros. And then we got the trade of 8 running, which is not going to be closed right now. Thank you, guys. Come on. Did you monetize something? That was a triple bottom there, delivering. Not really sophisticated on the pattern side, but you see it was efficient. Not DCing to this, because then my average is going to be too high. And I'm not going to be in the lows of the structure anymore with my entry. We have a nice break even on profit setup. So I'm going to leave it like that and see what it comes there. Now we're... Oh, look at that. Look at that, baby. We're printing. We're printing. On trade away, we're close to 600 bucks. Do not get scared, guys. I'm going to close some of the positions here for trade of 8.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm fully out.
Order filled.
We made 397 for trade of 8. 397 on 3 accounts. I think I'm going to trade a little more on that one later. So 397 on 3 accounts. And then over here, not touching it, we're looking nice for the moment. Could get a stronger move here, which is why I'm not touching it for the moment. Could get a surprisingly strong move. You know what I'm doing right now is I'm putting my stop loss right below the wick we just made. Very important, guys. That's a strong invalidation level. And between that point, which is around the 62, and my previous stop loss I had on break even, is a small distance, which is however getting touched, which means no point for me to leave that money on the table. As a result of that, I've increased my stop loss to the previous wick and I'm leaving it open like that. Not touching it for the moment. This is the way it looks like. Triple bottom here holding through. Thank you so much guys for joining. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway. Coupon code SCRAMBLE for the highest discounts pretty much everywhere. And we're really enjoying to look at that one, guys. Still leaving it open. I'm still leaving it open. There's an interesting level around the 95. You see the selling pressure is not here. I'm putting a limit order on the 95. $94.5. You see the selling order. I mean, the selling pressure from the market makers is missing, guys. Beautiful. Target has been hit. $821 profit on 5 accounts. Lucid Black. There you go. Another celebration time today. Oh my gosh. Boom. Gotta flatten that position. Yeah, I do want to continue trading this one. But obviously, carefully. Look at this price action, guys. Do you, Ernesto, are you referring to YRM accounts? Celebration all over the place, guys. Are you referring to YRM accounts? You have basically access. Yeah. Not trading here at 112. Nah. Could actually go a lot higher with all that liquidity existing, but you know, during this price action, chasing is the worst thing. You rather die than chasing. So 50,000 YRM, you have access to all the trading platforms. You have access to all of them. You can trade Quantower without problems. Yes. Thank you guys for joining today. Like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. The Discord link is here. So we traded basically Lucid accounts. Yesterday, for one of the winners profile, we got 4 extra claiming the same account. So we had totally 5 people claiming the same accounts. And I needed to walk through, and guess what? All the 5 completed the form. But you clearly see from the time that they actually completed the form after the giveaway has been drawn, after we had a duck race, right? They created a profile with a winner's name after we had the duck race. And they put an email. They put the same YouTube. And I can clearly see from the timing they completed a form, which is after the duck race happened. There's so many scammers. You guys cannot imagine what's happening after each giveaway in my inbox. Yeah. This is interesting, guys, in the way it looks like. Are we going to get that daily opening, which is sitting on 147? That would be a pretty good move, 100 points from this triple bottom. Hope you got something out of that triple bottom, guys. Yeah, exactly. Tris, on your account. Yeah, I could close the form, but there's still people joining, you know, in the first minute of the wheel or from the time we announce it. Yeah, the persons were not having the right emails. But username was the same, right? And they were claiming it. So for me to discover who's the winner, I have to go through all this messages, right? And see the real winner and verify and just... But it's nonsense for these people to give it a try and trying to scam, because the data is right there registered and it's so silly. Yeah, YRM is great, guys. It's very silly from the scammers. So instead of doing some... not sure if we get a dump. I'm testing out along here on this rejecting for a possible continuation. 2 contracts. Let's see. If I get the continuation here, I'll gladly take it. Otherwise, I'm going to simply get out of the trade. Could be a bleeding quite deep. Oh, look at that. We got a bit slaughtered on that move. I think Trump is already speaking or something. Adding to this, guys. Adding to this. Watch out. We're going for the target. Oh, no. This is going deeper. Trump is probably speaking. Things have changed right now. Let's see the next candlestick. Probably is going to get deeper. Look at that aggressive reaction. Adding a little bit to this, guys. Adding a little bit to this. In case it has fuel. Come on. Yeah. He's been talking empty words. Come on. The next candle should be green on my side, and then we're gonna bank basically 2,000. It's gonna be very important to secure the second day in a row with 2,000 on this account, because we would only need one more day of 2,000 and we would pass 5 evaluations of Lucid Black of 100k. The first 5 we got. Come on. This is not easy. This is not easy. If we retrace on this candle, is bad. But the buying pressure we had earlier on the previous one. Adding a little more. Adding one more contract to this, guys. We've DC'd into the wick of that candle. Come on, be serious, market, and do the right price action. You are presenting in the books. This is by the books, ready to fly on 112 for my target. Oh, look at that. No. If you do dirty things, I'm gonna cut you right away. Not DCing anymore here. No. We got 6 minis. We just have to cross that 100s to see some brightness. Not only at this point, I've been doing that forever. Not afraid of blowing up anything, which is why we were making money. We have an $800 realized profit, so the situation is not that bad. Let's see how many of the scalpers got back into. No. I sold basically partially. And I'm fully selling right below the wick. If we do another wick below this, putting the stop loss there, and having my target back at the top, we accepted a partial loss. We're 565 realized loss right now. One minute double bottom here. Let's not exclude the chance. Let's leave some space for the markets to breathe. 73 is my stop loss. Not DCAing, but it could be an opportunity. If we get a nice runner here, it would be much better to me DCA into that position. Yes. So if you guys been following me for months, you know what we're talking about and how we're talking about. Lovely. Target has been hit, guys. Lovely. Target has been hit. Look at that one. Back into my long here. Back into my long here. What is he speaking, guys? Something happened. But do not underestimate. I'm out. 712 in profit. 712 in profit. Come on. You see double bottom on the 1 minute. I talked about it, guys. Getting back in my long here. A single contract. We're back 740 profit realized. Adding one more contract here. $172, guys. Come on, let's break above the daily opening. We're talking and we're dealing here with a daily opening. Stop loss on break even, guys. Come on, let's go. We're about to hit the target if that comes through. Nah. But I'm telling you, this is still interesting for the upside. Got in a contract here. Just a single contract open. Prop firms getting scared once again, guys. We're on fire. And this is very important. We're gonna trade our Lucid Flex account soon, but I'd like to take this 5 of Lucid Black to my target today of $2,000 target. Daily opening, guys. Watch that level. The green line I have there on my chart. Daily opening. 149 plus next to the daily opening is the daily volume weighted average price on 146. And then above with the purple 171 is the 200 EMA, but that's certainly not the most important thing right now. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video to be able to participate in the giveaway. Like the video, be subscribed, and join the Discord. You gotta be part of this, including the forum. Adding a contract to this, I've DC'd here on the previous 120 high we had. Thank you guys so much. Trading our Lucid accounts. Keep in mind, Lucid Flex is no consistency and target on the funded stage. We're going to start trading soon our Lucid Flex accounts that are funded. Currently trading the Lucid Black that are in the evaluation stage we got yesterday. That's going to be a lovely target right there on 168 for my total profit. 1,200 needed next to the 800 realized that has been made. Adding one more contract to this. 159 for my target. You know, just gotta be careful by having him pronounce a single word that the market is not gonna enjoy. This thing can actually have 100 points down. That's the way the markets are today. I'm 100% aware about it. Market's not enjoying that rejection on the daily opening. DCing a little bit here, but it's risky. Not enjoying that daily opening rejection. We do have a close fight going around 125 here. Let's see if we have the ability to reverse or not. We're gonna simply cut the position. Beautiful, guys. Target has been hit. There you go. Exactly what we were looking for. 1,987 big profit made. Big money right there. The second day hitting 2,000 on this 5 Lucid Black accounts of 100,000. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your great support and lovely words. Boom. What a lovely gambling model we have out here for some people. But that's just different. This strategy. Martin. You gotta be here for a longer time, Martin. Another 2,000. Thank you, guys. So, where are we? The second day with 2,000. The very first 2 days, each with 2,000. The target is on 106. So 2,000 more needed and we get another 5 funded. There is no room to trade them because we've got 5 funded of Lucid Flex of 150k. Green days only. I'm a momentum trader and I do have a lot of the things in my mind when I open up a trade. A lot of the things. Look at that. I look at the nature of the candlesticks and I can unleash and unencrypt the language behind it real time. Watch the markets probably having enough fuel to make a new today's high 246. Right, so careful with the shorts. You see I haven't touched shorts. Exactly. I'm not going to get anything activated of this Lucid Blacks because I have 5 Lucid Flex funded and activated. And I'm not gonna plan to lose my Lucid Flex accounts, guys. Not planning to lose them on purpose and exchange them for Lucid Black. A big party here because we touched 3 accounts targets for YRM. And imagine one of the account on YRM is day number 7 in the 3rd cycle. Then we traded the Ignite account on Tap 1 Futures Project X, $500. This is traded alone. Then we traded 3 accounts on Tradeovate from Tap 1 Futures, 150,000 end of the day drawdown, $400 on each. Not touching it anymore today. Right? That's 3 here, 4 on the project, 1 on Project X is actually total 4. 4 for Tap 1 Futures, 3 for YRM, and 5 for Lucid Black. I was showing to you guys the numbers here, but you were watching the other screen. So there's certainly party time. Sure. So consistency means, like, do not get bothered what is your consistency after the first day. Consistency means that your highest day should not cross the consistency percentage. For the Flex account, you have a 50% consistency, right? So yeah, 50%, just double checking on that. 50% consistency, which means your highest day should not be worth more than 50% of your total profits. Your target is at 3,000. So your highest day should not be worth more than 50% of that target. Your highest day should not be worth more than 1,500 to respect that 50% consistency. Make up to 1,500 in a day, and your consistency is going to be fine when you hit your 3,000. How do pause accounts show on the dashboard? I think normally they will still be under, I had some at some point, and they will still be under your evaluation stage. That's the place they're going to show up, under the evaluation stage. Hopefully to pass this account and I can show you. Welcome. Right, they're going to remain in the evaluation stage, and you're not going to have the upgrade button, because on Lucid, once you pass an evaluation, you have that green upgrade button. That green upgrade button is not going to appear unless you have room and space for your accounts to be converted. This is not looking bad, honestly, here. So daily opening is going to remain a possible place for the markets of bouncing, let alone right now it's in conjunction with a VWAP. Come on guys, let's pick up the likes. We've got here tons of trades and good money. Time to trade the Lucid Flex accounts. And the first one I'm going to trade on the Lucid Flex will be the one that has $166,800. Not having any biases for the New York session. 99% of my trades are executed prior to that. Getting into a long here for an impulse movement. Not going to hold it for a long period of time. Just a little bit, guys. Come on. If this candle holds, we're going at least to retest the previous 1 minute high there. Putting the break even already. I don't want to get rejected here and see a reversal of 50 points. Come on. I'm out. 161 profit. Just let me keep that, guys. 161 profit. I only need 250 profit here. That's why I'm doing it this way. It's a good winner, right? $50,000 or $100,000 for a Lucid Black, or it depends for which account, because you know you got to correlate your targets per day towards the max losses you have towards your targets you have. I'm gonna keep this account, which has the max loss on the original balance plus 100 bucks. It has basically $16,800. 16,800 bucks, right? 16 grand $800 in buffer. I'm gonna keep making on this account $250 a day till I milk all the money out of it. Testing a little long here. Let's see if this is a good... might be a very tough situation there. Not expecting a sell-off here. I'm gonna cut it out. If it's not continuing, I'm gonna gladly cut it away. But let me just give it a bit of more time. Not gonna DCA. You know, I only need like 100 bucks. It's not worth it to DCA. I mean, it's good to do this with 5 accounts, right? And just take maximum payouts each round, each cycle. Because otherwise, you just do it with a single account, then you might get to be moved on live with that one. And I don't think... I just doubled up right now. Come on, just a little more. That was so close. A single tick away, guys. A single tick away. We were one single tick away on that wick. And it has not been triggered. Could see a rejection here and a denial, and I have to get out then in a loss. Look at that. No, I sold partially. Accepted a partial loss. Yeah. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, right? What's happening, guys, in the market? We're out here with a single contract, not a problem. But that's just crazy, right? I'm out here. And probably I'll have an opportunity to short. That's crazy wick. Wow. You have $16,000 buffer here. I have DCA 2 contracts. Yes, I just traded 5 Lucid Black accounts earlier on the stream, and we got to 2,000 bucks target. I just traded 5 accounts of Lucid Black earlier, guys, on the stream. Not looking good. This could actually run so high, or I'm out. Accepted a loss 1,500. Got back in a long. Could actually take that 246 today's high. So I'm putting my target there. Stop loss break even. And the target has been hit. We've been taking profit there. So we've made $1,000 on that one. We made 1,000. We're still down a little bit, but we made money. Lucid Black, to trade Lucid Black is harder than the Lucid Flex. Initial rejection. I'm keeping my Lucid Black evaluation on 2,000 a day. Copy trading 5 accounts of 100,000. We got the second day of trading today, and we made 2,000 yesterday and 2,000 today. Getting back in a little long here on a single contract. Stop loss and break even. Let's go, guys. It's not looking bad, right? Is that going to be another W here? Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We got 6 minutes to go. Make sure to like the video. We got a 5-minute algo opening soon, guys, in a couple of like 30-40 seconds. Moving the stop loss right below the current candlestick wick. We're going to have 4 points profit on a single contract. Thank you, guys. Come on. Good day, good morning. So sign up for the giveaways and like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. Educational materials, live trading, and of course at the time I finish, we always do giveaways for free. Look at the price section here. Yeah, I'm putting my stop loss right below the current candle, guys. So if it runs, I'm leaving it open. If it's gonna switch around, I'll take my profit on 243. If this candle turns red, I'm gonna be out. Otherwise, I'm leaving it open. This is Risk Management 101. I'm out. We're $91 down. 91 bucks down, guys. We only have to do 250 here. Come on. We have a massive green day today on board. Testing a little long here. Just a single contract. No. I'm out. Accepted a minor loss. 90 bucks. You see, these are my stop losses, guys. These are the live stop losses. I always put a stop losses real time without having anything preset. If the market is not reacting in the way I'm expecting it to react, I'm just getting out of it. Manually, always. Let me share with you on the other side what's happening. So we have grabbed another high. You see, we're already speaking about the red line again, which is delivering us the reactions today. The algos are reacting to that. It shows something good for you guys to be aware of. That's the dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price. The indicator is here. The indicator is here, and these are the settings that I have. You want to do a screenshot, pause the video, or rewatch the stream Those are the settings that I've got. This is why we got out of the long earlier. And I'm reshorting this. Beautiful. I'm out. Profit. 398 profit. We eliminated all the loss. Quick money has been made on this one. Like 3 seconds or 4 seconds in this trade. 2 minis short. 398 profit, guys. Here you go. Boom. This is day number 4 out of the 5 needed. All right, let me refresh the page. Today is 21st, guys. Day number 4 here, I think. Out of 5 needed. We're cashing out every 5 days here if we're making 250 bucks a day. Let's see if they updated the number for the 20. Yeah, for the 21st, 398 already appears up. There you go. Time to enjoy. Thank you, Fred. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. No, I cannot do it on my Discord because the streaming would be real time. And none of the prop firms would allow me, basically, to trade like that. Due to the fact that people would have the ability to do copy trading. And copy trading is not allowed in the prop firms. So, unfortunately, that's the case. Let's continue, guys. We got to trade the next Lucid Flex. We got 5 funded. We only traded 1 Flex today. Copy trading is not allowed. There you go. We got the opening. You got the bell right there. Testing out a little long, guys. Great. Target has been hit, 278 bucks. Target has been hit on that one. Great. Just got to do 250 and that's it, right? Going long in another trade here. I've been sitting on the wrong account. Now I'm back in the right account. Gotta do that 250. Very interesting. This is turning against pretty ugly. If we're not holding here, I gotta cut it away. If we're not holding here, I'm gonna cut it away. And I don't think we're gonna hold it here. Back into a short, guys. 2 contracts short. Thinking more about a possible continuation here. Let's see. Stop loss and break even. We've touched it. Accepted 200 bucks loss. Was not looking good. Grabbing my short again. Adding a little more to it. This is a very interesting spot here. Things could actually nicely roll over. We just got to cross that 50s. But you see, that's the daily opening. I'm out. 2,649. That daily opening gave us a strong reaction, guys. Look at that. Daily opening. We didn't roll below. No liquidity has been grabbed below. Look at that. We could have nicely wicked below, right? Just making a nice wick. And not having a so instant reaction on that. That was my trading idea. But let's not underestimate the possibilities of completing that. Look at that price action, guys. Testing another short here on 2 minis. It's not easy. We pumped once again in another candle. And it's getting rejected once again. Look at that. Look at that. Total rejection one more time. Taking my shot here with another short. And putting the stop loss. Nah. We put it on break even and it has been touched quite quickly. Another short here, guys. Let's see if we actually deliver on that. If we have the ability to break below that 50s, or it's so powerful. We have put our stop loss a little bit higher. Time to have the first. Oh. And that was it. That was all from the shorts, guys. I don't believe it. So quickly. Putting my stop loss on break even. Nah. This is not working that easily with the shorts. Look at all those wicks. Got in along here. Just a single contract. Just a single contract long. I've doubled up, guys. Stop loss and break even. Not looking that bad. And I'm still leaving it open. Not looking that bad on this one. This is why we're trading in this case scenario just a single account. That is, especially crypto regulations are coming. Ho ho! Watch the price section. Watch prices for the crypto. March, April, May. I'm expecting personally something bullish from that. But we'll see. We'll see, of course. This is not any certainty about it. Crypto's been 2025 about a crypto space. It's been so unpredictable. I'm out of this beautiful profit made, guys. 2,000 profit made on that. 9K on YRM account, but it was a practice account. Time for you to be confirmed on a real account, buddy. 2,000 made on that. More than 2,000. 2,500. Because we were down 3,500. Now we're down 900. And I'm backing along here. Backing along. I'd like to see if the impulse remains heavy for the upside. Even though we did get that rejection, but there's too many people expecting basically from the markets to die today. Our target is right there, 217, guys. Come on. 217 for my target. Stop loss and break even. Has been touched. Testing a little long here, you see. Not trusting it for any big size. Nah. What a selling pressure, guys. Difficult day. Difficult day. Back to the daily opening spot. I'm not sure if we're gonna bounce there. Not trusting it for the moment. The candle is too long. It's too powerful. Might have to accept a loss here. Accepting a loss at a possible bouncing place is obviously the worst thing you can do. Have DC'd right now. Yeah. And I accepted a loss. A partial loss. Right there. Yeah. We're touching the red line again. But I don't like that red and strong candle. Might be a time basically here to accept a temporary loss. Accept the first loss. Mushup. Gotta relax a little bit, buddy. Gotta relax, man. Relax. And buckle up. Stop losses and break even. Let's just make a new high from here. And then relax, guys. Come on. Let's make a new high from here and relax. Not DCing for the moment. The entry is great. Thank you so much, guys. We're trading 10 accounts on Lucid. I told you guys, buckle up and let's go for a new high. And relax. That's the only thing I said. You know, that red candle deeply going down, taking the lows again. Nah. Don't try to trick me. Don't try to trick me. The selling pressure is missing in a lovely way for the moment, in this candle. The next ones, we'll have to see, guys. We're going to trail something for sure. But this candle, we need it to be strong. The one just opened it up. Come on, guys. A single contract. This is the level we got to break. Do not quick trading. It is the most exciting space from a comfortable side of life. Indeed, it's not easy, but nothing that's valuable and worthy is going to be easy to be achieved. Trump is talking for a long time already, and we only had profits, guys. Come on. We were down 3,500 on this account earlier. Recovered like 2,000 of it. And then we got back down to 2,000. I'm out here. We're 690 bucks down, so we recovered 1,300. You know, this could actually go exactly what I said, but I needed that money. I needed that money. Let's do the fireworks. Let's not forget about it. Come on, guys. Celebration time. 690 down. I'm still gonna try to do something. Boom. Look at that one. Beautiful, guys. So red line, bouncing on the red line. Do not underestimate our charts. Have a look into that one. I've told you earlier when I had a short, I needed to break below that damn green line, which is the daily opening, right? And we didn't break below that one. So the next candles did that. And we bounced exactly from there and we've longed it. The whole trading idea did function smoothly. Daily opening, red line. Thank you, guys. Yeah, the account was quite deep. But you see, I haven't lost an account, let me tell you. I have quite a few weeks since I haven't lost an account. And we were just green with all the accounts during each day. Not like closing out, accepting a specific loss during days. No. So that's why I'm you know, more flexible on that one. Especially we're trading a single account here. We've got 10 on Lucid. Baby's crying, you can hear it. It's crying a lot. They always come into the office by knowing the giveaway is happening soon. Interesting point here, guys, to force it for a long. Look at that one, guys. Are you guys watching it? Interesting point, force it for a long, and we're just about 500, 600, 700 bucks in profit. Almost eliminating the whole loss we have. I'm out. 230, 193. 193 profit. We need $50 more. And we got the target, the 250 bucks, right? Instant reaction. Certainly the market makers are here. But we've had earlier, from the level we were, just make a new high. We only need 60 bucks here. Grabbing my long, grabbing my long. Look at that. Look at that lovely rejection. So deep. Did not expect it to be that deep. Might have to cut it, guys. Might have to cut it. And accept a loss. So I either cut it, accept a loss, or I DCA here and I'm gonna... But I'm not touching it for the moment. That's also the third possibility. Come on. You know, it could roll over here. That's why I'm... Now it's an interesting space to DCA and sell something as we go up. Right? Come on, just a little bit higher. I sold something. $231. We still need $20, guys. Come on, we got $231 profit. Lucid is in fire. I saw on order numbers, Lucid is I saw it on 5 a.m. Order numbers at 5 a.m. And then the next day at 5 a.m. there is 20,000 more in the order numbers. 20,000 orders in 24 hours. We only need 20 bucks more here, guys. 20 bucks. I'm longing it. For the Lucid, flex, no consistency and no target. There you go, 297. Target has been hit, guys. Celebration time. The account was down 3,500. And then we were down 2,000 again. And we've recovered from both situations. And got that target. Alright, so that's it, guys. Not trading this one anymore today. Switching to the next one. We made a new high. And just tell me, what did I told you from the time we were down here on 135, 140s? All the way to a new high. That's exactly what I told you guys. All the way to a new high. That's what we got. So I only have to do 250 bucks here. Testing a little short. But you see, that's not really the most exciting thing shorting. We could actually rip. Yeah. I'll have to cut you. DCA'd. And I'm cutting soon. Such as now. We accepted a partial loss. Nah. It's not gonna work with shorts probably today. It's not gonna work with shorts today. We're just breaking bulls. No. It's not really gonna work with shorts. I'm out here. 420 accepted, guys. Not an issue. But this is the last account we're gonna trade. It looks like it still has fuel. We're gonna see. Got in a little short here, guys. Got a little short there. I'm out. We recovered some loss. We're down more than 400 and now we're down just 100. Got back in my short. And we're already printing. Come on. Double rejection here. You trust that, guys? You think the market makers do allow it? Nah. Look at that. I'm DCing as soon as the new candle opens. Here. We just DC'd. Let's see. Another one. One more. Come on, guys, just a little bit more, deeper. Getting that wick. There you go, the target has been hit, 298 bucks. Right, that's master scalping, 298 bucks there. Ho ho ho. Boom. Let me see, I think we still have flex accounts, guys. I still think we have Lucid Flex accounts that I've not traded. I think I only traded 4 today. So Lucid Flex is no consistency and no target on the funded stage. Lucid Black is their new product. I'm gonna make a video comparing them, but I think today for the majority of people the Lucid Flex is much better. Let's see what we traded from the Flex standpoint. So the Flex, we traded this, 398. You want to look on the right side, 398 net PNL. Then 51 bucks here. Obviously, we got to make more there, which is why I'm going to short this again. DCAing there. Oh my god, look at this price section, guys. No, I'm on the wrong account, I think. Yeah, I'm on the wrong account. I'm on the account we made earlier, the profit and the target. I didn't switch it. I only switched the account info, but I didn't switch from the accounts we trade on Tradeovate. So instead of having that 330 profit, I have to deal with another negative P&L. Look at that silly thing, guys. This is what happens when you trade 20 accounts one by one. I just only switched that from the account info and didn't switch from the account we trade on Tradeovate from that trading board. And now I'm upset and angry on this. And I'm going to cut it away. And that's all is going to be about it. And I'll take the loss and accept the loss, right? Look at that. And this is happening from a mistake. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You know, I'll take this to 2,000, 2 grand, and that's it. Nah. No, niche, I'll take this one all day long. We had a great day, guys. We had a great day. Yeah, this is an account that I still have to open up a trade. This one. Yes, really valuable lesson. I look at that. But we're DCing into this. The bigger problem is sitting on the other account. Which is 310 on my... Let's see if we get that rejection here. Not a big deal to get the rejection and have 10 points down. Not afraid about this position, this one, right? It's just the liquidity up and down, and wouldn't be anything spectacular hitting the target on this one. We just DC'd right now. Come on. That was a single tick away. That was a single tick away. Yeah. Not gonna touch this for the moment here. I'd like to see how does it plays out. We've been over trading a little bit today. For the past 15 minutes or 10 minutes, or it has been some over trading for the past 10 minutes, guys. It has been. I can fully confirm it. I can no longer have the necessary focus here. So for the past 10 minutes, it has been over trading. Like 15 minutes ago, I've said this is the last trade I'm doing. And I didn't respect that. They wanted to search another account and do another 250 bucks minimum, right? You can't overtrade. This is an interesting spot here to DCA on short. This one right now. Yep. But I'm not really allowed on more sizing. Beautiful. Target hit here. Finally, we got out of that 282 right there. Not trading that one anymore, but this one is the big deal. We got in a trade here by a mistake. We have 330. Target is hit. We didn't switch the account. Look at that. Fully recovering. Wouldn't be back to hit that 283, but I didn't have bullets here to do some DCA in the highs, because, you know, our target would have been touched already by having an averaged higher. Come on, guys. This is a lovely candle we are having here. This is not looking bad, guys. This could actually continue nicely in the next candle below the previous wick we had. Come on, guys. And then we have a good chance to touch that exit there. I think there's people shorting this. Let's see this candle. Come on, roll over, buddy. Dump it. As just a few points there. Dump it. I'm not touching this one yet, guys. You gave the order. Thank you. Dump it, guys. Come on. Nah. If we get the pump here, it's not good. If we get the pump here, guys, it's not good. If we get the pump here, it's not good. Yep. Look at that. Strong 15 points. Lacking continuation, but I'm still holding it, guys. I'm gonna sell. I sold the contract and another one. So I'm gonna try to DCA from higher again into a short. Right, we've got 2 minis. The maximum is 4 minis here for the account size that we've got. Let's see if we can... Lovely, lovely, guys. I've DCA'd into my short. I've DCA'd. Come on, dump it. Hope. We've talked about on Trump's speech today, there was too many people expecting the price action to dump. And we talked about this one an hour ago. The sentiment has been around it. Let's go, guys. Come on. I DC'd into this one. Added a little more. Have enforced it. We just got to break that 315. Is not capable rolling over. Come on. 315. I'm not going break even yet. Because I'm going to get wiped out. But it's risky, guys. Look at that. Look at that silly price action. This is so silly. Oh my gosh. But I'm leaving it open, guys. I'm leaving it open for the moment. Whatever he says, we should get 10-15 points. Look at that. Come on, press the pedal, guys. We're not getting it. We're not getting it. And this is gonna rip to the upside soon if it's not dumping right now. If it's not dumping right now, it's ripping to the upside. Look at that. And as a matter of proof, I'm gonna leave it open, not closing it here. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's holding, guys. How on earth? How on earth? As a matter of proof, this is insane. Come on. Now, by the time candle closes, make it red, buddy. There you go. 192. We still have to do 60 bucks here. Come on, guys. But we're going to celebrate because we were down a lot on this one. By a mistake. Our target was hit on this account today. And we traded by a mistake because they didn't switch the account. Boom. Someone said earlier that magically I'm going to recover from that. There you go. The magic just happened. $60 I need more on this, guys, to, you know, have it as a day because the target is 250. Someone said earlier I'm going to magically recover. I'm shorting a contract. Come on. That 250 is my only thing. If we're not hitting it, I'll accept 200, 300 bucks loss, not an issue. I'm out. $1 loss. We lost $1. Look at that. Minus $1 PNL. You know, no more trading, guys. That's it. No more trading. We had great performance here. No more trading, guys. That's it. So, let me explain you. Let's just wrap up the things. Minus $1 and that's it. Not touching it anymore. This could actually nicely go long. And I'm so tempted to do it. And I'm no longer going to do it. So, minus $1, that's it. We have to accept it, guys. The dashboard is no longer going to look green. Do I want to... I don't want to be a negative example, guys. I'll have that minus $1 on my dashboard. What do you guys think about it? How is that going to look like? You know, it was about a long stay for sure, but how is my dashboard going to look with that minus? Got in a little long here. I'm sorry, guys. Plus 30 bucks, therefore, not touching it. We had to make it into green color, right? We have to make it in a green. I'm not going to accept that red $1 mark. We're not going to lose that lovely green streak, guys, for a silly $1 mark. Come on. That's it, guys. That's it. We're moving away, and I'm closing Quantower. Quantower. Goodbye, Quantower. We traded on Quantower everything. So that's it. That's it. We have accepted the whole thing. And now it's time to look into what we achieved today. All the 3 accounts on YRM got to the target. All the 3. Where are the charts from here? They disappeared. No, they're up here. So all the 3 accounts on YRM, 150k instant funded best accounts. You only need minimum 10 days of 150 bucks. You have no other payout target. Respect the consistency and goodbye, Quantower. Sure, so we've got basically very important here. We have day number 7 on the 3rd cycle for an account. Great, so that's 3 accounts. Here's the 4th account, Tap on Futures Ignite, 500 bucks. That's the target. This is the 4th. 3 accounts here are copy traded on Trade-Evade from Tap on Futures. Right? So that's going to be 7 totally. 7. 5 Lucid Black where we made 2,000 bucks. 7 plus 5 is 12. And then I traded 4 or 5. We've got 5. I don't know if we traded all the 5 Lucid Flex accounts, but certainly we traded 4. And all the 4 are in profit. So 12 plus 4. 4 or 5 is going to be out there. Minimum 16. Minimum 16, guys. 0 losses. And that's it. Time for the giveaways. Make sure to join our Discord and sign up for the giveaway firm. That's just to wrap up the things and what we achieved today. We were a lot down on silly 3,500, 2,000, and then I was down again by a mistake, not changing the account I was supposed to trade. Over trading a little bit in the last 25 minutes, still making profits. Who says that by over trading necessarily you have to lose? Who says that? And why are you guys saying that without looking at the trader? You have to correlate that with a trader. We're having some fun time, guys. I know overtrading most of the time is spicy. So, time for the giveaways. What do we have to do? Yeah, we have to wrap up the things. We did that. So I gotta open up the ducks and the wheel. Ducks and the wheel. We're gonna have some great time on the wheel today. Some lovely time on the wheel today. Yeah. So first giveaway. Tap on Futures, $25,000 instant funded. Ignite account. That's the first giveaway. Good job recovering. That's what we did as well today. Lovely times recovering back and forth. So $25,000 Ignite account instant funded for the Tap on Futures. How to participate, how to join. Make sure you complete the form, and then next to that, you gotta like the video, guys. Come on, everyone. For those of you that forget, just like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. Streaming from Monday to Friday. Great educational content, live trading. And once I finish, I do daily giveaways. For free. And then join my Discord. Right, that's the third thing you want to do. Join the Discord, guys. Here's the link to sign up for the form for the giveaways. And you will have to guess the number. So the rules are quite simple, guys, for the giveaway. Guess the number. It's going to be a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. We have a system filtering. We have a system doing all the great stuff. Badger is absolutely helping us with the infrastructure. So guess the number, a single guess per person. And make sure you watch the ratios right here. We're going to have 5 zeros on the wheel. One number, one number, two, one number, 3, and a single 7, right? So you can start right now. 5 zeros, a single number 1, a single number 2, a single number 3, and a single 7. Those are the ratios we're having. We're going to shuffle the wheel. But that's the way it's going to be. Ladies and gentlemen. That's going to be an instant funding account from the Ignite Tap on Futures. You see, we've got 9 entries. 5 of the entries are on the same number, but then 4 entries are in different numbers, guys. So you don't have that many chances, right? With the 0. You don't have 90% chances with a 0. Probably about 60% chance or something like that. 55 to 60. Thank you, guys. All right, so stop right there with the guesses. No more. No more. There you go. Stop right there. We're going to shuffle. And we're spinning it. Best of luck, everyone. That's going to be the 0. 100% it's going to be the 0. Look at that. 100% it's going to be the 0. 100% it's going to be with the 0. No spamming, John. That's the 0 right there. If we have more than 100 winners, then you know what's happening, guys, with more than 100 winners. We almost have 300 people that have signed up the form. Almost 300. If we have more than 100 winners, we're going to do 2 rounds. Top 3 will go to the second round for the duck race. 162, that's a world record. 162, guys. 162 winners. How is that even possible? Top 3 will go to the second round. And only the top 1 is going to win from that. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Come on. Out of 250, 260 on the stream, 260, 270, more than 150 picked that 0. Best of luck, guys. Top 3 will move to the second round. Bring something home today. 6 seconds. Zill is dominating, but it's too early. Who's going to speed up for the last couple of seconds? Top 3 will qualify for the second round. Millis. Look at that one. We got a winner here. Carrion Millis. We've got David and Moji. Look at that one. That's the top 3. That's the top 3, guys. And we're going to verify if they completed a form as we speak. Right, so let me just zoom in a little more. So we got... There you go. The first one did complete a form. Congratulations, Millis. David. David. Congratulations, David. You got this. And Moji. I do remember your name. One time you did forget about it. Moji made it again. Good job. So we got this 3 guys playing around. And we got basically David, right? And Moji. Top 3. You guys will compete for 30 seconds for the grand prize. There you go. Tell me, guys, in the chat, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win, chat? Come on. Tell me, guys, in the chat, who's gonna win out here? That's a pretty hot competition. We never had for the second round 160. I mean, for the first round, 160 winners. But that's a pretty difficult one. David is speeding up, and I think he's getting it. Look at that one, guys. Congratulations, David. You got this. You have a special costume. Are you here, David? David for the first, for the second, Moji on the third. Congratulations, folks. Continuing with a second giveaway. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go for it for the second giveaway, which, guess what? Let me do a quick... Let me do a quick poll. You guys want Lucid Flex or Lucid Black? I'm gonna do a poll. You wanna vote in the chat. Once we have 100 people voting, I'm gonna stop it. Lucid Flex or Lucid Black? Let me know. Please vote. It's in the chat. Come on. Once we have 100 people voting. $111 people, 66% voted for Lucid Flex. There you go. So we're gonna do second giveaway. $50,000 flex on the Lucid. Alright guys, so you want to prepare to watch the ratios and listen to me because I'm telling you the ratios for the numbers. I want to make sure at this time we get as many people as possible qualifying for the duck race, because I want to give you a good chance on that one, guys. So as many people as possible qualifying, right? So think, just listen up, guys. 5 zeros and 777, and that's it. 5 zeros and 777. You can start right now. Start right now. Come on, guys. Start. 5 zeros and 777. There's no number 3. No. Someone just went for the number 3 for some reason. Keep in mind, do not spam, only a single guess per person. John. No spamming. Unless you want to get yourself wiped out of the wheel. 360s on the Nasdaq. It's juicy. 5 zeros and 777. That's what we have for the second giveaway today. Totally, we have 3. And for those of you that are going with 0 and with the 7 in the next guess, cracking the code by thinking they could actually survive. Stop right there. No, stop right there. No more guesses. We had an amazing day in trading. We're gonna shuffle this. This way, guys, this way. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. No more guesses. We have put a stop right there. This is the second giveaway. There's going to be one more. So that number 7 is not going to be, guys, unfortunately. This is 100% on the 0. This is 100% on the 0. That's going to be the red one for sure. And that's the story of the second wheel. Quite simple. We're just about to zeros today. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. That was a pretty good one. Are we going to have a double race again? Possibly. Are you guys out there with your more than 100 players? We're going to find it out. I think there's going to be a lot. 140. Look at that one. Ho-ho. 140, guys. 140, which means top 3 will qualify for the second round. Double race. Back-to-back double races. That's a unique situation. I'm honestly telling you. That's a unique situation. Bring in the special paddle, Jake, and you're certainly going to win it. Instead of swimming, you guys should take your ducks and just run on the grass next to the river. You should nicely just jump out of the water and run through. Come on, guys. Who's dominating here? Look at that. There's probably 100 ducks that are not even on the screen. And they're just... Top 3. Top 3. Who's going to speed up, guys? We got the green duck, but I'm not sure if it's going to make it. I don't think the green duck made it. Easy. The Trading Syndicate. Easy, the Trading Syndicate. And Mahinder. Look at that one, guys. That's where we are. Let's verify. Easy. There you go. Confirmed. The Trading Syndicate. Confirmed. And the third one, Mahinder, confirmed as well. Wow. That's 100% ratio, guys, right? So, Easy, the Trading, and Mahinder. There you go. Each and one of you are on the board 5 times. 30 seconds there. Shuffle. And you're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. This is going to be for a $50,000 Lucid Flex account. Lucid Flex. Did I say Lucid Flex? You did qualify for the second round. 5 seconds. Who's going to speed up? Easy is speeding up. Look at that. There you go. You got this with the Bathman. Hey, congratulations for the account. That's a lovely one. Yeah, we're going to make it harder, the next one. The third giveaway, guys. Time for the third, time for the last. Nasdaq pumping about 400s. Third giveaway, $50,000 IRM account. Think about it. Oh my god, I think the shorts got slaughtered here. The whole day probably today. So we're gonna make it harder right now for the third. That's what you requested? Let me think about the numbers. So listen up, guys. Listen up. That's gonna be triple zeros, triple number 1, triple number 2, 1 number 5, 1 number 7, 1 number 8. You can start right now. That's it. You can start right now. Triple zeros, triple number 1, triple number 2, a single number 5, a single number 7, and a single number 8. Let me know your guess, guys. Best of luck. A single guess per person. For those of you that have joined late, like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. Mandatory. You also have to be on the forum. Triple zero, triple number 1, triple number 2, a single 5, a single 7, and a single 8 on the wheel. For a $50,000 YRM account. We're on fire. Putting the big numbers. 16 out of 16 accounts traded today. All profits. No spamming. Look at that. Oh, look at the bots. You know, let me just stop it. Stop right there. Stop right there. We're going to give those guys a little timeout. Just 10 minutes. Not needing more. 10 minutes timeout. Right? Those guys will get 10 minutes timeout. All the 3 guys, all the 3 profiles will get 10 minutes timeout. There you go. So we're going to shuffle this. And not just 10 minutes timeout. Let me repeat it and attach something to that. Also, you're not going to be able to win the duck races. So if for some reason you're going to be winning the number and you're winning the duck race, we're going to take the next winner. Those 3 guys that I've lucked out, they're eliminated. They're eliminated. Right, that's a little lesson right there, making sure that next time we do respect the rules of not spamming. Very important. Now it's 50,000 YRM. You got your number 2 right there on a triple side, and that could actually come through, Jake, with blue. Are you going to get that number 2 with blue? It's going to be pretty hot right there with the 0 in big competition. Depends on the pedal. Depends on the pedal, but I think you're going to make it through, guys. That's going to be the number 2. Look at that one. That's the number 2. Congratulations. We had 12 entries and we got this number 2. Oh my gosh. I don't think we have many winners. I don't think we have more than 50. So you have a good chance, Jake. Look at that. 85. 85 winners. Honestly, not expected. For some reason, people love that number 2. You guys will compete for a minute. And this is the last race for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Best of luck, guys. Come on. 50 grand on the YRM. That's a whole lot of money. $50,000. That's what we're sharing. Scramble coupon code for the highest discounts. We've got more than 80 players here. That's a whole lot. Who's gonna speed up right now? Ducks are coming from behind. 6-7 seconds to go. Come on. Who's speeding up right now, guys? We got Jordy. We've got Jordy with number 84 right there. Jordy, you got this. Of course, off the screen and then back and winning it. Jordy. Jake, you had no fuel. You've lacked fuel. Congratulations. Let's verify, Jordy. Let's not forget verifying. Wait, guys, it's not fully confirmed. And Jordy is missing from the wheel. Is missing completing the form. Look at that, Jordy. What happened with you? You missed completing the form, buddy. Oh my gosh. You won $50,000 YRM, but you did not complete the form. Unfortunately, you've missed your chance. Did I spell this one wrong, Jordy? No. It's not spelled wrong. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You actually won out of 80 folks out there and did not complete the form, so there's a happy moment out here for Randy, which probably smashed the keyboard at this time and just turned the whole thing off. He's not aware that we are challenging. Randy's right here, guys. Congratulations. Destroying the monitor? Look at her, Randy. Look at her, Randy. Oh my gosh. We got you, Randy, on the board. That was big, guys. But what's happening with Nasdaq? Can you explain me? We're having 400 points pump here. The very moment we got into our stream, and that's the very moment the market reversed and pumped. Is that explicable? See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you once again. Thank you once again for having a lovely time here and enjoying some great trading, some nice education, and at the same time, fruitful giveaways. Looking forward to it on our Discord. We keep in touch. Scramble for max discount. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Looking forward to it tomorrow.